Welcome back to Car Features. Today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated performance sedans of the year, the 2025 BMW M5. BMW has taken its legendary M5 formula and pushed it into the future with more power, hybrid technology, and for the very first time, a wagon variant for the US market. Let's break down everything you need to know, from performance and design to technology, pricing, and whether this could be the best M5 ever built. At first glance, the 2025 BMW M5 makes a statement. The exterior design is bold, muscular, and unmistakably M-distinctive. Flared wheel arches, M-specific side skirts, and aggressive front and rear apron designs give it a wide, planted stance. The iconic kidney grille has been reimagined with subtle contour lighting, while aerodynamic details hint at the performance lurking beneath. Whether you choose the sedan or the touring wagon, the M5 radiates presence. Sporty yet elegant, modern yet true to its roots. Step inside, and the cabin continues the drama. BMW has packed the M5 with premium luxury and M-exclusive details. At the heart is the curved display, which combines a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster with a massive 14.9-inch infotainment screen. Both are powered by BMW's latest iDrive system, supporting wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and even in-car video streaming and gaming when parked. The flat-bottom leather steering wheel with illuminated buttons, multifunction sports seats, and customizable ambient lighting instantly remind you this is no ordinary 5 Series. Available full Merino metallic leather upholstery and a bicolor effect elevates the luxury feel, while the optional Bowers and Wilkins 18-speaker surround system delivers concert hall audio quality. The Touring Wagon adds practicality with up to 57.6 cubic feet of cargo space, making it as versatile as it is thrilling. Now let's talk about what really matters: performance. The 2025 BMW M5 is the most powerful M5 ever. Under the hood is a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 paired with an electric motor integrated into the transmission. Together, this plug-in hybrid setup produces a staggering 717 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque. Despite weighing over 5,300 pounds, the M5 sedan rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.4 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited to 155 miles per hour, but with the optional M driver's package that climbs to 190. Power is sent through an 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters, and X-Drive all-wheel drive is standard. For purists, a rear-wheel drive mode is available for tail-out fun. BMW also includes launch control and a clever boost control system, which delivers an extra surge of power between 20 and 90 miles per hour, perfect for overtaking on the highway. Standard adaptive M suspension and rear-wheel steering keep this heavyweight agile and composed in corners, making the driving experience dynamic and confidence-inspiring. One of the biggest changes for 2025 is the addition of plug-in hybrid technology. The M5 can travel about 25 miles on electric power alone, with speeds of up to 87 miles per hour possible in pure EV mode. Charging compatibility includes level 2 at up to 11 kilowatts, making overnight top-ups easy at home. Drivers can choose between several drive modes, including hybrid, electric, and e-control, which holds battery charge for later use. For more spirited driving, Dynamic and Dynamic Plus modes unleash the full performance potential, whether on a canyon road or a racetrack. Early prototype drives have revealed a car that feels far lighter than it actually is. The M5 sedan disguises its mass with sharp reflexes, instant power delivery, and impressive poise. It excels at Autobahn cruising with smooth power and supreme stability. The electric to hybrid transition can feel slightly unpolished, and some enthusiasts might find the sheer number of performance settings overwhelming. The steering feel could also be more engaging, especially on the touring. Still, the overall package is incredibly strong, balancing performance and refinement like few cars can. On the technology front, the 2025 M5 doesn't disappoint. Standard features include BMW Maps with charging-optimized navigation, a head-up display, a welcome lighting animation, and over-the-air software updates. Safety equipment covers forward collision mitigation, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and parking assistance. The optional driving assistant professional package adds semi-autonomous features like lane keeping with side collision protection, adaptive distance control for highway driving, and a traffic jam assistant that speeds up to 40 miles per hour. The 2025 M5 has already earned an IIHS top safety pick, proving that performance and safety can go hand in hand. Of course, all this performance and technology comes at a cost. The 2025 BMW M5 sedan starts around $125,000. Options like carbon ceramic aerodynamic brakes, high-end leather trims, and advanced driver assistance packages will push those numbers even higher. Deliveries are expected to begin in the fourth quarter of 2024, making this one of the hottest performance cars hitting the U.S. market in early 2025. To summarize, the pros include breathtaking power, cutting-edge technology, a comfortable yet sporty interior, limited electric-only range, a high starting price, and minor quirks in hybrid transitions. So what do you think? Has BMW created the ultimate performance sedan with the new hybrid-powered M5, or do you think traditional V8 purists will miss the old formula? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching Car Features. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 BMW M5, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more updates on the latest and greatest cars hitting the road.